Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian.is.weird. Today is day number 18 of the 31 projects of Halloween. So we're going to go fondle the pumpkin and see what comes out. So that sounds really gross. Sorry, I'm sorry. I can't help it. Okay, let's see. So this one is Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. Okay, so the one I always think about when I think about scary stories to tell in the dark is the Wendigo, and how it just like picks you up, so you have footprints and then it's like they're gone. So that would be a painting. I think most of these are going to be paintings because I don't really know what else to do. I didn't see the movie because it looked too scary. And I'm a baby. I told you all. I'm a baby. I could do a painting. Okay. Well, that was surprising. That scared me. I could also do a painting, of the hook on the car door. That would be fun. Let's see, what other ones? I know there's the one about the wedding dress that, like, kills the girl because someone else died in it. I really need to brush up on my scary stories to tell in the dark. Yeah. Let me do that, and then, we'll see what shakes out. Hey everyone, so today I did some, unpacking, in my, moving boxes, and I found this. This is my original, you can see the back is, like, super gross, copy of Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. This is the first one. There is a second, it's a sequel, but you can see that this has seen better days. So perfect timing to find this. So I was reading the book. I read the book cover to cover, and I was trying to get inspiration for crafts and things like that. And I noticed that all of the art is like watercolor or like pen work. So I think that I'm going to do a watercolor. And what one I'm going to try is this one right here. Now this is the artwork for the haunted house. And it's pretty spooky, and the only potential problem I see, other than, like, you know, me not doing it justice and not looking this cool, is that her hair is very stringy, as you can see, and obviously that's not done with a paintbrush. That's done, it looks like maybe like digitally, or or something like that. So it's got like a watercolor style, but like the hair is really really gonna be challenging. So we'll see how I do that. But this is yeah, here it is, the haunted house, and I am going to give this a go. So hope you enjoy. What if I look like this?